Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add advance payment in Zoho Books. This is incredibly useful when customers pay you upfront before an invoice is issued, allowing you to track those funds and apply them to future invoices seamlessly. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your account dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see various menu options. Click on the Sales tab. This section houses all your customer-related transactions and financial activities. From the Sales menu that appears, select Customers. This will bring up a list of all your existing customers in the system. Now, locate and click on the name of the customer for whom you want to record the advance payment. This opens their customer profile, where you can view their transaction history and account details. In the top right corner of the customer profile, you'll see a button labeled New Transaction. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Customer Payment. This is the key step that allows you to log payments received outside of specific invoices. You'll now see a payment form where you need to enter the payment amount in the Amount Received field. Type in the exact amount the customer has paid in advance. Next, select the payment mode from the drop-down menu, whether it's cash, check, bank transfer, or another method. Don't forget to enter the payment date to keep your records accurate and organized. In the Deposit to field, choose the bank account where this payment will be deposited. This ensures your banking records stay synchronized with your accounting. If you have any additional information that might be helpful later, such as a reference number or internal notes about the payment, add those in the provided fields. Finally, click Save to record the advance payment. Zoho Books will now store this payment as a credit on the customer's account, which you can easily apply to future invoices when they're generated. This keeps your cash flow tracking precise and simplifies invoice reconciliation down the line. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.